Welcome to the first video of a series of Facebook/Facebook gaming videos here that are going to help everyone kind of get up to speed, get an account created, create a page so you can start to create content on a really fantastic platform. My name's Chef. I cook, I game, I do a lot of things, but one of the things I love the most is sharing information, saving you time, so you can focus on creating amazing content that we can digest. So welcome to the video. We're going to go through here, setting up a Facebook account. You need a Facebook account to create a page, and that page is what you're going to be using for Facebook gaming. All right. So you go to facebook.com. You're going to click create new account. And then we're going to go through the account creation here. One of the things to keep in mind is Facebook requires that you set up an account with your actual name. So you're going to have to actually create, as you can see here, I tried to, put anything in this first field for my first name. And it says, we require everyone to use the name they use in everyday life. Pretty much what the name you were born with. So keep that in mind. So in this case, my name is Rob, last name Blake. So we're going to put that there and click sign up. Facebook will email you a code that you need to enter here to confirm your identity. At this point, we have successfully created our account. So we can use that same login that we just created here. In this example for the video, fb.gg.chefroblake@gmail.com. Again, you check your email. You're going to get a confirmation code. You enter this confirmation code, and you just click OK. And here we are. We have officially created a Facebook page. Chefroblake!